Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. And if this meal I've got here tastes as good as it smells, I'm in for a right treat, I tell you. I have got Asda Peruvian style chicken curry with coriander rice. 3 chili rating. Oh, I'll show you. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the green jalapenos there. And that rice. And this char grilled chicken. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. This was £2.50, by the way. It's a new product, as you can see. There's quite a few new ready meals in Asda, but this was the one that really caught my eye because I've never heard of a Peruvian curry. I don't know what it should taste like. All I can tell you is what it does taste like and whether I like it. Right. Tender char-grilled marinated chicken breast in an aromatic and spicy yellow curry with jalapenos and zesty lemon and coriander rice. Now you can really smell the coriander. You can smell coconut. Definitely. But yeah, it's the coriander that's the real overpowering smell of this. So if you don't like coriander, which quite a lot of people seem not to like coriander, I love it, then yeah, you might not like this. I didn't add any water to the rice because it didn't say to add any, so I didn't. And when I stirred the rice halfway through cooking, I had a little feel of it and it didn't feel dry at all. So let's hope it's not. What else can I tell you about it? Anything else about the ingredients here? I just want to dive into it, I really do. No, I'm not going to tell you anything else, I'm just going to dive in. Right, here we go. Peruvian curry, coriander rice. Let's try some of this rice first. First thing I'll say is perhaps I should have added a little bit of water to it. It's a little dry, not too much, but just a little. The flavour of the rice, you can't really taste the coriander as much as I expected. It's very subtle. But having said that mouthful tasted more of coriander. Perhaps that'll build up. I'm going to have one more go at this rice before I dive into the rest of it. The grains themselves are a good texture, but I said just a little dry and could do with a little bit of salt. But I'm not going to add any until I've tried the rest of it. Okay. We've got one huge piece of... Oh no, that's huge. That's 2 smaller bits. It's 17% chicken, by the way, but it looks more. Because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decent sized chunks of chicken there. Right, let's have a bit of the sauce. I am going to try one of those jalapenos on its own, see how hot they are. That's a really unusual taste. And there's some heat there. I'm picking up coconut. And yeah, I'm really picking up that heat. Oh, that's lovely. Let's have it with the rice. It's strange. It's like a hot, I was going to say like a hot korma, but it's not really, because it's different. It's more fresh tasting than a korma, more zesty. Okay, there's quite a few of these jalapenos there, so there's one of them. There it is. Let's see how hot they are. Haha. They're quite hot. Not overpoweringly so, to be fair. They're green jalapenos, so they're going to be hot, aren't they? Right, the chicken. I've had to put it down so I can cut the chicken properly. Let's get this big bit, cut it in half. It's very yellow inside. It's proper. Yeah, oh, that's better. Yeah, it's proper chicken breast. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. There you go. It's proper chicken breast. Absolutely lovely bit of chicken that. It really is. Okay, everything together. The only thing I will say about this is, and this is an unusual thing to say with a ready meal, because there's plenty of chicken. As I say, it said 17%. Seems like a lot more. Could do with a little bit more sauce, I think. Really good. But that is good. That's a good meal. Oh yeah, it's just different. It's such a refreshing change to have a curry that just tastes different. You've got a lemony taste coming through as well now. Ah, yeah, it's good. And to go with it, of course, I've got some cheapy salted tortilla. Yeah, what are they called? Tortilla chips, which I've already been munching on. So these always go well with the curry. I find anyway. I love them with the curry. Yeah. Right. One more little bit, and then I'll go and sit down and enjoy this. Asda Peruvian style chicken curry with coriander rice. Definitely recommend that. If you're bored of the same old curries, you get your kormas, tikka masala, madras, whatever. Try this one. It's just a bit different. Well, it's quite different. And it's really good. I really like that. I'm impressed with that for £2.50. Yeah, very. Although next time I do it, and there will be a next time because I'm going to buy that again, I'll add a little bit of water to the rice halfway through cooking. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay. Let me know if you're gonna try this on my recommendation. Let me know if you've ever heard of Peruvian curry. Because I said, until I saw this, I've never heard of it. I didn't know it was a thing. Is it a thing? It might not be. It might be just a thing that Asda have invented. I don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.